Hi and welcome to Goodopolis. Today I'm making a nice little vegetable medley. It has onions and tomatoes and green beans. I'm letting it saute, steaming right now, in a bit of avocado oil and its own juices. And I added some of this delicious Louisiana Cajun seasoning, a whole lot of garlic powder, black peppercorn, a sea salt. This is going to be absolutely delicious. And what this can do, you can do this to this, is you can add a little cornstarch down here and make this into a nice bit of a gravy to have all over that. Now with this I'm going to serve fish. What would you serve with this?